Hello, I'm Cassie Sucker, the librarian at Leo Beck College, and I'd like to share with you something fantastic from our collections. Godly and Gay is the published text of a lecture delivered by Rabbi Lionel Blue, Zichrono Livracha, in 1981 to the gay Christian movement. I love the title of this yellow pamphlet, which manages to be straightforward, sincere, and humorous all at once. Blue tackles the topics of the lecture, society, the Bible, Jews, sex, marginalisation, in the frank and gently funny way that made him a beloved broadcaster and writer. His opening words describe the human needs that have not changed in 40 years. I am honoured to address you because by helping people to be gay and Christian, you are healing one of the many splits in present-day life. It is holy work making people whole. By being gay and Christian, you may help others to be godly, gay and Jewish, and others yet straight and gay, to marry religion to the reality of their lives. You may help people to be religious and honest. Although these qualities should go together, in practice they are often split. Blue was one of the first gay rabbis to be ordained in the UK at Leo Beck College in 1960. A lifelong seeker, he was fascinated by Christianity, and in this lecture, as in many places in his life and work, Judaism, Christianity and sexuality are brought together to examine the tensions and potential of their relationships and histories. Blue approaches his topic and himself with such honesty that he enables his listeners to feel that it is possible and safe for them to do so. It is holy work making people whole. The lecture is one in a series published by the gay Christian movement. Two other titles caught my eye: Exploring Lifestyles, an introduction to services of blessing for gay couples, speaks so deeply to the need in Jewish ritual to find honest and inclusive language. There has been an outpouring of creativity in contemporary Jewish liturgy, with publications like Mishkan Ga'ava, Where Pride Dwells, a celebration of LGBTQ life and ritual, and the development of services for Pride Shabbat. The other title in this series is Our Common Humanity, the need for tenderness and realism in discussing sexuality. Lionel Blue's great skill as rabbi, convener of the Reform Beit Din, lecturer at Leo Beck College, writer and broadcaster, was showing the need for tenderness and realism in discussing almost everything. He concludes the lecture observing in the traditional liturgy, men bless God for not making them a woman. In the revised Reform liturgy, everyone blesses God for having been made according to God's will. He writes, making utopia sound like the present day. It is the only response which goes beyond the sociology of the past and brings together women and men, straight and gay, into the fellowship of the divine.